Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Njeri and I do lifestyle content. You may consider subscribing if that's the kind of content you like. So today we are making mandazi. So the ingredients are simple. I use wet ingredients separately, then I mixed the flour. So I put milk, margarine and sugar. Sugar, I put it together with the wet ingredients because when you blend sugar, because I blend my wet ingredients, when you blend sugar, it really makes the mandazi soft. So I blend sugar together with milk and margarine. Make sure you melt the margarine as you warm the milk. Make sure you use warm milk. And then when you're mixing the wet ingredients to the flour, please put little by little because of the you don't know how much will be enough. And then in the flour I put cinnamon, and not to forget, in the wet ingredients I also added vanilla essence. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe. Guys, I'm doing a mini haul for this item. To the soaps. Floor cleaner. Toilet cleaner. Surface cleaner. Another toilet cleaner. Another toilet cleaner. We have 3 toilets. These cheap colors. We have the bleach one. I just took that one. Oh, I also took allergy colors. I just opt for this product, sufficient, because it's cheaper. That is all for the soaps. Did you know? Chapati. I took 2. Mandazi took 1. Ready? 1. I took 2. Okay. Sorry. Then this is a clean one. I'm just restocking. We don't have shopping. We already have beef burgers. Now this rice, I did get the 5 kg. So I bought 2 kgs and 1. We have to make 5. Very cute. Most nice. And crisps. Most nice. Spaghetti, Santa Maria. Most snacks. Here is the 2 kg. This one, 2 kg is 1,000. Another 2 kg, so that's 5. Then we normally use this coconut oil for the body. It's called Minara. Looks like this.